said he'd take it off the air.
Caller, did you call?
No, you called us.
Caller, you're on with maximum
on
fame.
my radio. Caller. That's my ringtone. Like when you call, like that's what usually says.
Are you stoned or just like on Zans?
Caller, you're on with maximum fame. What's your scientific inquiry?
It's the same guy.
Did seagulls get high, dude?
Oh yeah, see, I think a seagull could get high, you know.
Caller,
Get real stoned, you know. Maybe super stoned.
and we're back after these messages.